This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account linked to your channel. That gives you access to subscriber data. Once signed in, open YouTube, click your avatar in the top right corner, and choose your channel. From there, click YouTube Studio. This is where subscriber metrics live. Make sure to use the account that owns the channel, otherwise you won't see accurate counts. Once Studio loads, you're ready to move to Analytics to view live and historical subscriber numbers and basic context for changes. In YouTube Studio, click Analytics to get into the detailed view. This is the main tool for subscriber insights. Once there, focus on the subscriber's metric, toggle real-time to see instant changes, and set date ranges to compare weeks or months. Make sure to switch between Overview, Reach, and Engagement tabs to understand why numbers moved. Views or a viral video often cause spikes. If you want specific user counts daily, use the Advanced mode to break data into days and compare sources like. Finally, confirm numbers by checking both your public channel page and the Studio subscriber total. They may lag slightly. On mobile, open the YouTube app, tap your profile, then your channel to view subscriber counts and lists. If you need downloadable data, in Analytics use Advanced mode and export CSV. If counts disagree, make sure you're on the correct account, clear browser cache. And remember, YouTube sometimes updates counts slowly. Wait up to 48 hours for corrections before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.